Welcome back. I'm going to give you an example of how to divide decimals using a strategy that we've used this year, where you're estimating first and then you're ignoring the decimal second. We've used a place value chart in the past. We've moved discs around, and it just takes a really long time, and it's not very efficient. You can get the right answer. You're more than welcome to use it during your project, but it's going to take a long time. So I'm going to change one or both of these numbers in order to do some mental math to figure out what my estimated answer is. I'm thinking about a number that I want to change this to. I usually think of multiples of the divisor. So I'm thinking of 5, 10, 15, 20. This number, I guess we could use 15 or 20. I'm going to use 15. Doesn't really matter. No biggie. 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So at the end of my division work, where I've ignored this decimal right here, I should have a really, really large quotient. But I know I'm going to place the decimal somewhere so that the answer is really close to 3 whole things. So let's go ahead and ignore the decimal. Pretend this is 1,725. And we're dividing it by 5. 1,725 divided by 5. So here we go. I know that 5 times 300 is 1,500. So subtract your 1,500. 225 is left over. And I've got to split those into those 5 different groups. So it's like 5 groups of something is going to get me to this number. And I'm going to use 20, because I know that 20 times 5 is 100. So I'm going to take away 100. Now I've got 125 things left over. So I've got to figure out a way to get 5 groups of something equals 125. I already know that 5 times 20 is 100. And I'm really good at multiples of 5, and I know 5 times 5 is 25. So I'm going to use 25, because 25 times 5 is 125. So subtract your 125. You got nothing left over. And your answer is just all these partial quotients added together. So 320, 340, 345. So 345 looks so far away from the whole number 3. So I have to look over here and go, all right, where does the decimal go here in order for my answer to look like 3 whole things, or really close to 3 whole things? Boom. There it is. 3 and 45 hundredths is the correct answer for 17 and 25 hundredths divided by 5. Good luck today.